Okay. How are you? You're welcome to Just the Chat. This is Volatility 75 Index, and it has gotten to where we have been waiting for a long time. Though it hit our buy limit and took us out, and now it has given us a very clear buy trade. And this trade is a confluence trade. If you know, if you are familiar with confluence, you will know what I'm talking about. This is a very confluence trade and a 90% accuracy trade. Though no one is sure of the market, no one is 100% accurate. That's why we use stop loss. So I'm going to tell you where you're going to put your stop loss on this trade if you want to join me. As you can see already, on the signal group, we already entered the buy trade. Those on the signal, they're already making they're in some profit now. But though it is still moving sluggishly, it has not moved the way we want. But this is what we are predicting. This is where we are seeing that it's going to move to, according to our strategy and our price action, according to everything we have been using. And this trade is uh, currently at 50% retracement, a very perfect place to take a buy. As you can see, all the movement downward here, as you can see, all the movement from here to here, they were all partial movements. They were not they didn't move with momentum. So we're gonna take it. We're gonna go into buy now due to what I have analyzed. Okay, this is very clear 50% retracement. Let me show you. If you don't know how to use your Fibonacci, uh, one way to use your Fibonacci. Most people don't know how to use their Fibonacci. Fibonacci is a very good tool. Yeah, a very good one for that matter. If you don't know how to use Fibonacci, I said on the other video that you should go learn how to use Fibonacci. But most people still don't. They still can't use Fibonacci. Let's take it to the grapeland. Here's the grapeland here. It's called great. It is called the grapeland. We have our reasons for that. As you can see, this trade is currently at exact 50% retracement from the graceland to the tie. It is currently at 50% accurate retracement, and we are expecting it to wrap it up from here. Let's go check out the one. This is the one chart already. Though most persons are on a buy or on a sell already, they are expecting it to continue moving downward. But this is what I'm thinking. I'm seeing it is going to rally up very soon. Considering our week one trade, our week one candle, it is still very bullish. This is our four. Our four has hitting one of our greatest trend line, and it is reacting to it very powerfully. And our one, the same thing, it has gotten to our trend line. It is our moving average instead. Sorry, our moving average, and it is working perfectly according to our plan. So this is what you should be expecting from here. This is what you should be expecting. Okay. Trend line. As you can see, let's use our trend line to confirm this. I told you that 75 index also a base trend line. If you watch our last video on where I talked about start using what best strategy to trade base 75. This trade is currently obeying this trend line. As you can see, it is obeying the trend line, and this trade is a confluence trade coming together of three reasons to take a trade. A very confluence trade, and we're expecting it to wrap it up very soon. So this is a reason also. So I've given you three reasons why you should take this trade, why it is very profitable. First, it is currently on 50% retracement after a massive sell, after a massive buy, and then secondly, it is currently on a trend line, and thirdly, it is currently on what on a support, a very powerful support for that matter, and it is showing some reactions already. I'm going to continue buying, but though no one is very sure of the market, so what are we going to do? Come in, let me give you some let me give you some info. We are expecting it to give us this, to give us this. This is what we expected. This is it. This is it. I'm expecting a breakout from here very soon. But though we are not sure of the mark, we are not sure of we are okay. Instead, we are not the market. We allow the markets to decide what it's going to do. So here is our stop loss. Here's our stop loss. Our stop loss is here. Here. as you can see, it might return back. So, but it's not going to pass somewhere here. If it passes here, we'll go out of the trade. So it is a very strong and a reward ratio trade here. A very very good one for that matter. This is it. As you can see, it is a very low risk with high reward. Your take profit should be where the blue buys, and the stop loss should be below where I said very very where I said yeah at this point. This should be our this is our stop loss. This way we are putting our stop loss. If price gets to here, we are going out of the market. We are taking off both position, but we don't see it getting to that place. Though we are not the market, so we just predict. This is our prediction, and that is where we are predicting it to go to get to. So this is what we are seeing from this trade. You can see it is moving gradually. It is moving gradually as planned. Okay, I would advise you follow what I just said. Add to what you know to make some pips on the market. It's all about the pips you make. It's not all about it's not all about you depositing, make some pips, make some withdrawal, and then use money. That is what trading is meant for. It's meant for is a stream of income. A place where you get income, not a place where you lose money. 90% of traders lose money. I uploaded that as at yesterday, so you can go watch it so that you can gain more insight on how to avoid some silly mistakes in order to remain on top, to be among the 10% of traders who are successful. So I advise you take this trade according to what you have analyzed, according to what you know, according to what you have been taught. So this is our thought about it, and we are hoping it moves as planned. We are expecting it to rally up very soon. And other for our signals, they are currently in profits. Let's check our volatility 15 days. We give that signal also. Volatility 50, volatility 15 days, I think. Volatility 50 over here. Let's watch it. Let's see what it is currently. It was volatility 15 days is currently creating. We just took another sell position. We are risking very low here, as you can see. But we'll be talking on this on the next video. So subscribe to our channel to get more, and remain blessed. Remember, take trading as a business, not just a get rich quick scheme. And try to make some pips. Don't always be in a hurry. Don't let your emotion take you out. Bye for now.